If you now reflect and know that most of the accidents are by car owners, okay, not PSV, private owners of vehicles, driving themselves or carrying their families, and in most cases at the prime age of between 30s and 40s, because they just worked hard, they took a loan, they bought a car. Just imagine the ripple effect that accidents do to our country.
We are consolidating data from 1971. What are we consolidating? The initial issuance of drivers was done by KRA. Thereafter, there was the Red Book. Then there was a system called the Driving License Information System, DLIS. Then NTSA came. All these three data sets must be integrated into one.
Kaingĩ nĩ kuona road inspection icio kana audit ĩyo kana ciĩtagwo mũsako ũgĩkwo na matereba rĩngĩ makaigĩrĩrwo mwena ngari ingĩ akaigĩrĩrwo ngari ĩyo ti njega na nĩkĩo tũroiga nĩ hagĩrĩirwo nĩ gũkorwo hena representative yani mwakilishi wako nĩ matatũ tondũ twĩna Federation of Public Transport Sector.